Hello lovely beaders. My laptop died while editing a video. As a result, all my videos, photos and settings are inaccessible. So that you don't miss this week's video, I tried to put something together for you using a phone and an old laptop. I apologize if you find any mistakes in it. The first step is to glue the cabochon in the earring setting. I use this glue, but you can use any kind of glue you have. Use a small amount of glue. You don't want the glue to ooze out and make a mess. My glue sets in 2 hours. I need to wait until it's set to work with it. Start by stringing 20 pieces of size 11 delica beads. Leave a tail that is comfortable for you and go through some beads to form a circle with the beads. Start peyoteing with delica beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. Make a peyote row with size 15 seed beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. Make another peyote row with size 15 seed beads. Unfortunately, I was impatient and did not let the glue dry long enough. My earring base came off the cabochon, so now I have to re-glue it. Don't make this mistake. Be patient. Let's try again. Lead your thread to the other side of your bezel. Make a peyote row with size 15 seed beads. Don't pull the thread yet. Put the cabochon inside the bezel. Let's hope the earring stud will stay in place now. Slowly pull the thread to bring the beads around the cabochon. Make another peyote row with size 15 seed beads. My tail thread is bugging me, so I will cut it. Don't forget to step up for the next row. This will be the decreasing row. String one piece of size 15 seed bead and skip the next gap by going through 2 beads at once. Repeat around. In this row you will string only 5 beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. Make another peyote row with size 15 seed beads. Don't forget to step up for the next row. Make the last peyote row with size 15 seed beads. Go through the beads from the last row again. Now it's tight enough. The cabochon and the earring stud will stay in place. Lead your thread to the middle delica row. String 1 piece of delica, 1 piece of size 15 seed bead and 1 piece of delica. Go through the next delica from the middle row. Repeat around. Now that we have some time, I'll take the opportunity to ask you that if you enjoyed this video and find value in the content I share, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like. My channel and the knowledge I share are completely free, but to keep it going and continue providing valuable content, I need your support. Your engagement helps the channel grow and reach more people, so thank you for being a part of this journey. You can also help by buying me a coffee, or buying a tutorial or a jewelry from me. You can find the links in the description. Thanks for all the help. The earring is finished. Weave in the thread and cut it. You need to do at least 3 turnarounds to be safe to cut the thread.